All right, ooh, banana. Oh. Oops.
Why, guys? Kids news for you.
It's time once again for Why Guys Reviews, kids news for you. And here's your host, Why Guy.
Hey guys, it's Why Guy. Welcome back to another Why Guys review. And today we'll be reviewing
Ta-da-da!
cheesecake.
Oddly enough, these cheesecake are from the
Cheesecake Factory.
so they gotta be good.
Can
All right, we have 4 different flavors we're gonna test. This is
strawberry. I do not know.
Vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean. Cinnabon.
And
Banana.
All right, let's do the strawberries first. A little bit of strawberry, a little bit of ice. All right. Wow, that's a lot of whipped cream. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
I like it.
Wise up.
It's really good.
Very good.
Wise Up, definitely. Strawberry cheesecake, Wise Up, delicious.
Very good.
Highly recommended. Okay, here's vanilla bean. One of the interesting things about it is it looks,
Like a bean.
doesn't look like a bean.
Like the bottom
It's just white. I mean, so there's not a whole lot to look at.
There's like this pattern inside that's like dots.
That would be the vanilla bean. The black little pieces are vanilla bean. All right, I love vanilla ice cream, so I'm thinking this is probably gonna be pretty good.
You ready?
Okay, you ready? It's really good. I don't not recommend it, but I like the strawberry better.
Yeah, strawberry's better.
Okay, so right now vanilla bean is second place. Banana cheesecake.
Why did they call it cheesecake? There's literally no cheese.
Yeah, it's made out of cheese. It's made out of cream cheese, I think. Cream cheese?
Oh, it's ice cream.
All right, you got to stick your pinky out for class. Okay, ready? Is your pinky out?
Yep. That's actually really good.
Yeah. That's just the perfect mix. The banana.
Let's get the banana.
Whipped cream. Definitely. Whoop, stop!
I'll still eat it.
You're. All right, that's way too big of a piece. You're being a hog. There. That's more appropriate. You got to get in shape for football season. No more, 25 Big Macs and nonsense. All right, here we go. Now we're leaving off with this Cinnabon.
It's like a rainbow up here.
It almost looks fake. It almost looks like art. I kind of like it, like a painting or something. Ooh, look at that! Look, camera. They have these little fancy swirls on there. That's pretty artistic. We definitely have to do pinkies out for this one because this one has like French chef things going on here.
That is very good.
Very sweet. Too sweet for me.
I like it, but I need
Okay,
more.
apparently camera wants a piece. Wow, everybody's taking a piece.
Yeah.
Okay, too sweet for me. If you like sweet, which apparently everybody else at the table does, you're going to want it, but I'm going to give it Wise Mac.
Oh, I give it Wise Up.
All right, Wise Up. Okay, first of all, by ranking of the table, clearly the strawberry seemed to be the big hit because that got eaten the most. There's like only the little dinky piece left. Vanilla bean was second, and banana's third, but they might just be being nice because they know I like it.
Yeah.
And then the Cinnabon, they kind of went after like sharks in a feeding frenzy. So
Cinnabon's like taller.
Cinnabon's my least favorite.
So here we go. Here's stop. All right, my final rankings. First place, clear winner, banana, way Wise Up. Second place, close second, really. I actually liked it a lot more than I thought I would. It was a strawberry. Distant third, vanilla bean, and way too sweet, not an option, Cinnabon.
My first was this Cinnabon, and then banana, then strawberry, and then vanilla bean.
Tell us what you think. Get to Cheesecake Factory, really good. Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, it's a new year and it's Scout's birthday.
So you Scout's first birthday. Check out his video. We just made one.
Girafkins, bye.